Hey guys, I wanted to do a quick video to show you what we just released this week. So the app for those companies that use the Defendant mobile app, we recently did an update for it's going to be called the Locate Now push notification. So these apps that are being released or people that are updating to them will support this feature. So now if you go to a client that has the app installed that supports the Locate Now feature, you're going to notice a button or a graphic that says locate client's GPS location. Now, I wanted to make this video because one, you're going to notice that some of these clients have it and some of them don't. The difference is the people that have it have the correct version of the mobile app. So as soon as they install it and they do a check-in, the system send back its location or the version of the app to Bailbooks, and then Bailbooks will know to display this icon or not display this icon. So for those clients of yours that have it, let's just say I haven't heard from Travis Baker in over 2 weeks. As long as he didn't uninstall the app, even if he killed the app, it's no longer running in the background. If you click this, it'll ask you, it'll tell you Bailbooks will attempt to obtain the GPS location of the client's phone. The card on file will only be charged if a successful GPS location comes back. Now it's $5, so you don't want to do this for everybody. You don't use this as a check-in. But if you check it and then you hit send locate now request, what's going to happen is it's going to send out a push notification. And so on his phone, what the user will see that he got a notification from Bailbooks, just like if he were to get a text. As long as he reads it, if he reads the notification, it'll say, please call your bail bondsman as soon as possible. That's all it says. So the fact that he reads it will send back its location. So if I go to the dashboard, you'll see it says locate now results. If I click on it, and you'll see this is a good example. One came back successful, so we received it, so that was charged $5. The other one that we just did was sent. It hasn't come back yet. That's only 15 cents. So until he actually clicks on and views the message. But for this guy, it did come back. So if I view the report, you'll see it says, now it's not going to have a picture. It's just going to show you that this is a locate now request. So it gives you the check-in timestamp and it gives you the address of where he read that message. So at least she tells you where the guy was. Again, as long as the app is installed on his phone, it'll still work and he has to read it. So again, this is just another tool to help you find like a last-ditch effort. Like we got to find this guy. Maybe he didn't uninstall the app. What we found in talking to our customers that most of the people don't uninstall the app just because people just have it. I mean, you might have apps that you haven't used for years, but they don't have them running. So as long as it's still, installed, it'll work. And again, you only get charged the $5 for a successful one that comes back. And you'll always be able to see him. If you go to his check-in log on his client summary, you'll see anything that says the method locate now. These are locate now attempts that came back. So you can view them. If you have any questions about this, again, give us a call. But again, this isn't meant to be used as a check-in method. This is just I haven't heard from the guy. I wonder where he's at. Maybe we can just see if he'll respond to this notification. And again, it's just a push notification like you get from Facebook or Twitter. And as long as he reads it, that's enough to send back its location. If you have any questions, please give me a call.